Good morning, guys. Today in our language center, we're still studying nouns, and we know the difference between, we're learning the difference between common and proper nouns. We know that common nouns are the names of a person, a place, a thing, or an animal. So listen to what I'm saying. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal, okay? Sometimes we have proper nouns. Those are the names of important people, places, things, and today we're learning that even the days of the week, the months of the year, and the holidays that we celebrate are also proper nouns. Now, here's my secret so that you know if a noun is proper. If you see a word that is capitalized, so it has a capital tall letter at the beginning of its word, the first letter's capitalized, it's most likely going to be a proper noun because it's important. The names of people are always capitalized. They're proper nouns. The names of restaurants or stores like Walmart and McDonald's, they're always capitalized when you write them because they're important places. Every day of the week, every month of the year, and every holiday that we celebrate are proper nouns. Those are capital letters, okay? These are proper nouns. They all will begin with a capital letter. So a noun, a common noun, just words in general, person, place, thing, or animal, okay? Proper nouns always start with a capital letter. They're the names of important people. Everybody's important, so everybody's name always starts with a capital letter. Places like McDonald's or Walmart or Chuck E. Cheese, they always start with a capital letter. They're always proper nouns. Okay? Good job. Now, let's review back too, because verbs are words that show action. Okay? I know that we have studied a lot, but I also know that this is going in your brain and that you are learning. Okay? Verbs are words that show action, like words that are talking, words that like walking or skipping or hopping or jogging. Anything that you can do are words that are verbs. Okay? Now, what you're going to need for this center. This page, your interactive notebook page, a clean page in your interactive notebook, scissors, glue, and a pencil, okay? Now, the first thing that we do is we look at our title. So today, we are talking about days of the week, months of the year, and holidays, okay? Your I can statement, which tells what you should be able to do by the end of today's center, is that you should be able to tell Miss Downey if I asked you, or anybody if they asked you, that you can capitalize the first letter of the words in days, months, and holidays. Okay? So with your scissors, cut that title out on its dotted lines. We paste it at the top of our page just like we always do. So Miss Downey is cutting that out. I see that I'm going to have some scraps. Am I going to throw it in the floor? No, I'm going to put it in the tidy tub. So I've got my title cut out, and I'm going to paste it at the very top of my notebook page. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue, and now I have my title at the very front page, or the very next page, clean page in my notebook. Okay? Now, I want you to put your finger on the days box. Okay? I want you to cut that box out on the dotted lines. So just like this, cutting that box out. Bam. Done. Just like that. Now, listen closely. You're only gonna put glue on the top of the box. We're making it into a flap. So glue at the top of the box only. Glue it onto your notebook page, because look, now I've made a flap. Okay? So there's the days box. The next box that I want you to cut out is the months box. So this box right here, on those straight, solid black lines, cut that out, that box. We're going to only put glue on the top of it, just like we did our other box, right here on the top, because we're going to make it into a flap. So Miss Downey's going to add her glue, and I'm going to paste it right beside where I put my days box. Okay, so now I have my days, and I have my months flap. My next flap is going to be my holidays box. So just like we did the other two, cut on those solid black lines. There we go. Got my box out. My scraps go in the tidy tub. I'm keeping my area nice and clean. I'm putting glue on the top of that box only, because I know I'm going to make it into a flap, and I put it at the bottom of my page. Okay, just like this. Okay, now I want you to think the days of the week. There are 7 days in the week. They are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So I'm just going to pick 2 random days of the week, because every day of the week starts with a capital letter. So I'm just going to pull just a random day, and I'm going to say Friday, because Miss Downey loves Fridays. It's the last day of the week for school, and I'm going to write that word under my days flap. Okay, so I want you to do the same thing. I want you to take your days flap, flip it up, and write the word Friday. Okay, next we're going to do months. I'm going to do my month that I was born in, because there are 12 months in our year. Every month always starts with a capital letter. So I'm going to write that first. I'm going to write the word February. You can write any month of the year that you want, but Miss Downey is writing February. Then, down here under my holidays box, I'm going to flip it up, and I'm going to write my favorite holiday, Christmas. And I'm going to write that using a capital letter, just like that. Put my flap down. Now, I want you to go back, and I want you to underline the capital letter under each one of your flaps, because that capital letter is what makes it proper, because it's important. Good job today, guys. Make sure you clean your center up, glue lids back on, both back in the caddy, and that your scraps are picked up. Good job.